There are currently around 6 million Muslims in France, and that number could grow dramatically by 2015, inshallah, a new study has predicted. The vast majority of French Muslims are of immigrant origin, while an estimated 100,000 are converts to Islam of indigenous ethnic French background. Some reports also say that the number of new Muslim converts may be around 200,000. According to the information we receive from a few Muslim associations, there may be 10 conversions to Islam daily. That makes an average of 3,600 converts per year. The Shahaba Mosque in Paris is popular with those who are converting to Islam. Every year, about 100 Muslim conversion ceremonies are performed in the snow-white structure of the Shahaba Mosque. While the number of converts remain relatively small in France, yearly conversion to Islam have doubled in the past 30 years, presenting a growing challenge for Muslims living there, where government and public attitudes towards Islam are awkward, as you may know. Many converts are men younger than 40. Several studies have concluded that France is a European country where Muslims integrate the best and feel the most of their country, and that French Muslims have the most positive opinions about their fellow citizens of different faiths. A 2006 study from the Pew Research Center is one such study. In some predominantly Muslim areas, even non-Muslims observe Ramadan, the Muslim holy month that requires fasting during the day because they like the group effect, the festive side of it. Samir Amghar, a new Muslim sociologist, says, Islam provides more structure and discipline than other religions. It is a way to refuse modernism, get back to a society with more family values and a clearer distinction between man and woman. Islam has a powerful effect on the converts. The world looks clearer after they are converted. In Marseille, on the southern coast, conversions have increased at an incredible pace in the last 3 years, said the Imam of the major mosque of Marseille and the president of the local branch of the French Council at the Muslim faith. Mr. Qoul has signed over 130 conversion certificates in 2012. But there is rising anxiety here about the influence of Islam. Islam is regularly at the center of the heated debates about the nature and future of France, and its culture and politicians can win attention and support by criticizing the Muslims due to a few isolated incidents. We can also note the influence of celebrity converts, particularly football players. Nicolas Anelka, who played in the French national team and whose parents came from Martinique, changed his name to Abdul Salam Bilal Anelka when he converted to Islam in 2004. Franck Ribéry, a popular player from northern France, converted to Islam in 2006 and took the name of Bilal Yusuf Muhammad. Popular French rapper Diams also converted to Islam that surprised a lot of her fans. It took her 4 years to come out publicly after her conversion to Islam. She wasn't sure how the public would react at the way she now dressed, and she knew that not everyone would be kind, respectful, and tolerant. Diam explained that one day she was filmed coming out from a mosque. The press and her crew discovered that she had converted to Islam. Everyone lashed out at her. Some went as far as accusing her of becoming a danger for all her young fans. She lost her team because nobody trusted her. She felt that when a young girl converts, people say that either she is indoctrinated or her husband forced her to do it. As if she did not have her own intellectual independence, as if people knew that she was a woman with a weak personality or no character. Islam is not like every other religion. It is a way of life that transforms people and societies to become extraordinary beings who cannot live but as leaders. Whatever anyone does, they cannot stop Islam from spreading into the hearts of the people. It is rooted within human nature. It is the intrinsic nature of human beings. Islam can and will enter any house, society, or country in every single corner of the globe. Nothing will stop Prophet Muhammad's way of life from spreading everywhere. It is repeated 3 times in the Quran. It is he who has sent his messenger with guidance and religion of truth to manifest it over all religion. and two of such verses end with although the pagans dislike it. We pray that Allah protects the French Muslims and all the Muslims around the world. Ameen.